Miss Amy, how's it going? Aaron Maurer, BPT 112, video journal number 3 is what we're on. We're doing the Super Bowl 2018 commercial. Not that you didn't know that. Just seems appropriate to say at the beginning of the video. I could stop doing that, by the way. But anyway, I'm here to talk about the video. The video was, the commercial rather, it was pretty cool. I chose the Quicken Loans 2018 Super Bowl commercial, and it had the elements of AI, DA that we discussed in class: attention, interest, desire, action. Your attention is immediately gripped because they do the whole like sense of humor thing. Like the guy is just pointing out the obvious and all of the like industry jargon, blah blah blah, that the folks are using, and the interest is maintained by the variety of situations, I guess you would say. And like I said, the humor aspect, the desire, and the action is tapped into by the end of it. I think whenever the couple are sitting there and they're talking to the mortgage guy, and he's like, blah 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 blah, acronym acronym, it might be blah blah blah, and then the guy's like, I think this does it. That's it. And I thought that was pretty funny. That kind of just makes you want to like grab the phone and have the phone and use the app. That's kind of the desire thing. And the action is, I think the action is just the message itself. The whole shebang. The whole message is the action. Is causing for action. Hey, use Quicken Loans, like that kind of deal. And I think that I think that the ad was to sell. I don't think it's all that ignorant to say that it was both to sell product and to build brand awareness. I think it did both of those things very successfully. And that'll conclude. Thank you, Miss Amy. See you in class. Bye-bye.